Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Anita, and I'm coming at you today with a broken nail. Let me get a Band-Aid and my June currently inked pens. Let's get into it. Okay, back with the Band-Aid, and let's get started. I only have 7 inked pens this month. We're almost halfway into June. And it's been so busy in my world. It makes me sad that I don't have more time for my pens. So this is kind of a remix, a remix of pens. They've all been inked, and I was working my way through them, and then I did 30 inks, and then that all went out the window because I had 30 pens full of ink. Well, not full of ink, but you know, that's a lot of inked pens. So I decided, you know what? I need to work through some of these. Let me pick out some and just go from there. And my desk is a hot mess, so I only went through 1 drawer of inked pens. And here we go. Oh, what a time to be alive. Okay, first pen. Well, the first ink. We'll start with the inks, and then I will write down a pen. The first ink is Diamine Fortune's Gold. This is a chameleon ink. Okay. To me, it was just gold with shimmer, but it says chameleon. This was from the Purple Inkvent calendar in 2023. And I don't know, I kind of like it. I didn't clean out the pen that it's in, so that says a lot about it. Oh man, I'm making a mess. The rust is real. It's so real. And I dropped my glass pen. It's a spoon. I dropped a spoon. I don't know where it went. The struggle is so real. And then I'm just making a mess. It is Struggle Bus Thursday as I'm filming this. I'm struggling so hard. Oh well, it happens, right? It's real life, and we're not going to edit out the hot mess because y'all just realize stuff happens to all of us, and you just have to go with it. So there's the ink. I'll try not to drop the next spoon. And the pen is the TWSBI Eco in transparent orange. This pen has a broad nib, and it has been inked for a minute. I inked this up in September, and just like TWSBIs do, well, typically, at least in my experience, it started writing right away. So this is the TWSBI Eco, the broad nib, and it's in transparent orange, yellow, Anita. Tell you, I'm on a struggle bus, so please bear with me. Thank you for your support. And the ink is Diamine Fortune's Gold. So I like TWSBIs, so I think that's why I left it in here. I didn't fill it. It's about, might as well call it full. It's probably about a little more than half of a barrel. And yeah, I liked it more than I thought I would, so I left the ink in it. So yeah, we're just gonna rock with it this month, and hopefully it goes well. I wish I knew where that spoon went. That was weird. Okay, next up. This was in my 30 inks 30 days. I forget which day, but it is the Lamy Safari in the colorway Soft Rose. This was like a special pen. They do limited releases every year, like several of them. And this was from 2023. And I was like all excited to get a pink pen. Little did I know, because like I've told the story. I just kind of been playing around with fountain pens. Oh, let's fix the light. I've been playing around with fountain pens for a long time, long before I really got into them. And I didn't really go deep. I was just dipping my toe in. So when I really was going hard in 2023, I was excited to find pink. And then I saw all the fancy resins and got really excited. So yeah. That being said, this is one of my early pens, and the ink is Diamine Tranquility. This is also from the 2023 Purple Inkvent calendar. And I don't know, it's not my favorite color, but I liked it. It was really nice in this pen. So I just want to keep it going. And again, this is the Lamy Safari. Can I write on the lines? Oh boy. Stub nib. I swapped the nib out for a stub. I like Lamy stubs. And this is Soft Rose. And the ink is Diamine Tranquility. Oh, what a day. How's your day going? Oh, I'm getting to this on what day? Is it the 12th? And there's a fly in here. I can't stand flies. Ugh, it's the 12th. Yeah, I'm very late. I don't like it. All right, next ink is Diamine Weeping Willow. My words, this is a standard ink. My daughter picked this one because I would not have picked this ink for the pen that it's in because it doesn't match. And I don't know what made her do it, but I liked the combination. It was nice writing with it. So I said, you know what? I'll just keep it going because it's a nice wet combination. It might even be juicy, I forget. But I enjoyed it. So I am revisiting it. I originally inked this Weeping Willow. Oh, when? Oh gosh, I'd have to go look back. I'll put it on the screen because it's been a minute. It's in the Laban 325 in Sakura. Look at this pink. This pen has a broad nib, and it was earlier this year, but I forgot about it. And, you know, out of sight, out of mind. It was in my little pen drawer case storage solution. Yeah, I forgot about it. So, yeah, I was like, let's write it dry, Anita. Let's try. So, this is the Laban. Oh, wow. I spaced this out, and now I'm not spacing out anything. I'm so precious. I tell you, it's a struggle today. It's a struggle, and I don't like it. This is Sakura. So sad. And the ink is Diamine Weeping Willow. Getting a little rough there. We'll see how it goes. A little skippy. Now, when I first wrote with it, when I was making my list, it was fine. So, I don't know. I'm not going to hold it against it. It's been inked for several months. I guess I'll stay on one side of the page. I'm having a time, y'all. Okay. The next pen I'll just show you, I'm all back and forth, is the TWSBI Eco in Caffe Bronze. I love the way this looks. It took me a minute to pick it up because no reason, just not feeling like it, to be honest. Like, I know I'm going to get it. And I don't know, I guess something clicked in my brain. I said, let me make sure I can get a nib I want. And it wasn't hard, but it wasn't as easy as I would have liked. Like, my first choice to purchase it didn't have the nib I wanted, so I had to go down the list to the second and the third, and then I got it at the end of the day with a stub nib. I wanted a stub. I love this ink. It's so pretty. The ink is Diemans Nutmeg. And it's in my TWSBI Eco and Caffe Bronze. I used this pen for the 30 inks 30 days. I hadn't used the pen since I picked it up, and the ink was a sample I hadn't tried yet. So this was a new combo. TWSBI Eco with a stub nib. And the ink is Diemans Nutmeg. I love the combination, so yeah, we will definitely be writing that dry. Next up, another one. I had to look and look. I don't know what was wrong with me. I inked this pen in January. I didn't fill it, but I love the combination. I said, you know, I'm going to write it dry. And then I forgot about it. So it's back, and hopefully I will get to dry it out. There's just, I don't know, maybe less than a quarter of a barrel of this ink. And the ink is from the 2024 Ink Mint Calendar, the black edition. The ink is Diamine Mint Twist. It is a chameleon ink. It's got shimmer in it. And it's really pretty, and it was nice and wet in that pen, and I loved it. Even though I didn't fill it up, I didn't go back and fill the barrel because, yeah, it takes me a minute to write them dry because I usually have many pens inked, and sometimes life gets hectic and I don't get to write as much as I want. So I didn't want to fill it up and then feel like I can't write it dry, and I don't want to empty it, you know, because I knew I was going to like the ink. It was so pretty when I swatched it. So I didn't fill it up, but I forgot to go back to it. And then I did 30 inks, 30 days. When did I ink this? I said January. It's been inked for 5 months. This is month 6. That's a lot. I love this pen. This is the TWSBI Eco-T in mint blue. And it's so pretty. I love the color. This pen has a medium nib, I think. I'm looking. I think it's medium. Let's write. TWSBI. It could be. Yeah, I think it's medium. TWSBI Eco-T with a medium nib in mint blue. And the ink is Diamine Mint Twist. It's the only ink from the 2024 calendar I've put in a pen, and I need to fix that. But it's so pretty. I love it. Pen number 6 is from 30 Inks 30 Days. It's the Pilot Kakuno. It has a fine nib, and the ink in it is Diamine Jacaranda. I love this ink. It's a standard, right? Yeah, standard. Like going from memory. That's kind of dicey right now. And here we go with the sun again. This weather is mighty unpredictable. It's like, is it gonna rain? Is it gonna storm? Oh, is the sun coming out? It's all over the place. That's one thing in Georgia where I'm at. The weather just changes on a dime. 1 minute it's fine, the next minute it's like, what the heck? I don't know. I liked Florida better. I lived there for a little while. It was much more predictable. I guess you just have to deal with hurricanes. Oh, hurricanes, right? That's a big deal. I remember every afternoon I worked in Tampa, and when you looked out the window across Tampa Bay, you could see the rain coming in every afternoon between 3 and 4. You could just set your watch. Oh, it must be sometime between 3 and 4. It rained every afternoon in the summer. All right, this is the Pilot Kakuno. It's got a fine nib. Back when I was really more into gel pens, I liked the like a 0.5 nib on those. Sometimes 0.38, but usually 0.5 was like good for me. And this is purple, white. It's my first time using this pen, was 30 Inks 30 Days. And the ink is Diamine Jacaranda. I love this ink. It's like my favorite kind of purple. So pretty. And I don't mind the fine nib. I think I'm evolving. I'm kind of happy about it. Last pen. I've used the pen before, but I never put this ink in it. This is the Montegrappa Elmo in the colorway Stonewash Grey. This was an Atlas Stationers exclusive last year. They probably sold them out by now. It's got a medium nib, and the ink from 30 Inks 30 Days that was paired with it is Diamine Earl Grey. It's the first time, I think it's maybe the second or third time I've inked this pen, but it's the first time it's had a matching ink in it because I was trying to be different. And I don't know, I just wasn't a big, I don't know. It's like I liked how it wrote, but I wasn't in love with the aesthetic of it. I just prefer it to match more. So this time the ink totally matches and we're gonna enjoy it. I hope. I know I will because it's a nice writer, and I didn't use it last month because I didn't want to have so many pens. So I'm using it now. I knew I was going to come back to it. So this is the Montegrappa Elmo. It's got a medium nib. It's my only Montegrappa pen. Someday I will get around to another one, but lately I'm just kind of cool on buying new pens. That being said, I have an unboxing. It's pens I've been just like, I'm gonna get it eventually. And I finally pulled the trigger, I guess about a week or two ago, and ordered these pens that I've wanted for quite a while. All right, this is Stonewash Grey. And I'm too chatty. Yeah, I haven't talked about pens, so it's kind of like I gotta talk about pens. I just haven't had times, and like I said, it makes me sad. The ink is Diamine Earl Grey, and I'm going to help this along with a heat gun, and we will come back close up and check out the inks. All right, y'all, let's get closer. I like the inks, but as a palette, it's not my most exciting palette, I'm not gonna lie. I like more variety. Yeah, variety. But I do like all the pen and ink pairings. So there is that. The shading on that Weeping Willow and on Nutmeg. This too, the Jacaranda. They're all really pretty. They all shade nicely, but we'll see how it goes for the month, or at least what's left. So thank y'all so much for watching. And I have unboxings coming, and I'm going to be exploring my ink collection. I've swatched all my samples. You'll see them in the shorts if you haven't already. And I'm going to just put the color groups together and swatch samples in the bottles and better look at my ink collection so I can decide what I feel great about and what maybe can be rehomed. See y'all in the next video. Take care.